This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Mary Parsons. Conveniently located in Gulf Park Subdivision in Cedar Bluff. 4 bedrooms and 3 full baths. Open floor plan with new luxury vinyl tile. Basement rec room with wet bar, fireplace and plenty of room for a game table. 2-car garage. Gas heat. Screened porch. New deck off vaulted sunroom. You don't want to miss this one. The yard is amazing. Fenced in backyard. Easy access to Pellissippi and I-40. Buyer to verify square feet. Seller will finish the interior stairs before closing. All showings to end by 8 p.m. Saturday, April 16th. Deadline for offers is 9 p.m. Saturday night, April 16th. Seller to respond by Sunday, April 17th, 5 p.m. For more information.